Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with Randall Brothers harvesting wheat in northwestern Ohio. This is a really impressive harvest team to watch. They were running 7 John Deere combines, 3 tractors with grain carts, and an entire fleet of John Deere tractors pulling gravity wagons back to the farm to unload. We're going to watch all this harvesting action and then get in the cab with Lee Randall to find out how wheat harvest is going for them. Let's go check it out. We're up in the cab with Lee Randall and we're harvesting some wheat. So, how's it going so far, Lee?
Well, it was kind of a tough year for wheat. A lot of wet spring that caused the wheat to go down, and you have to watch for mildew and light test wing. It's kind of strange. The wheat will be down and then right beside it it's straight up. We spread it with the fertilizer cart. It does spread even. Round well tile. Yeah. But you can't change Mother Nature.
Yeah. How do you guys use wheat in your rotation?
Well, I like to put wheat in after soybeans and then put it to corn and then the soybeans. It makes a great cornfield.
Yeah.
Neighbor, he's got a farm over here. He's had soybeans for 21 years. He still raises good beans.
Oh yeah.
He's a good farmer and does a good job.
Yeah. Is this an earlier wheat harvest for you guys?
Yeah, this is about a week early. Usually we're just start right after the 4th of July. Usually you're cutting wheat right over the Penfield show.
Yeah. What size headers are on these?
This is a 40-foot John Deere draper.
Yeah.
Draper heads seem to be the modern way to go. They say history repeats itself. Well, the old combines had a belt feed, now they're back to it again.
Oh yeah. I know it definitely seems you get a good even flow of material into the combine, it seems like.
Yes, and if it starts to rain, you cut longer than you should. It does feed good.
Yeah. What's the moisture running on this now?
This here's 14.2.
Yeah.
Haven't lost any test weight yet, but if this rain comes like they're talking about, it will lose test weight.
Yeah.
And if you get head sprout, I always like to raise wheat. It's, it's not wet, usually good weather, not stuck in the mud,
Yeah.
fighting everything and drying the corn.
I always think it's nice because you finish the spring rush and then you can kind of have a more relaxed harvest time.
Yeah. Seems like soybeans, they pray for rain all summer long and it doesn't come, and then when it's time to harvest, it's raining all the time.
Yeah. Once it's harvest time, it seems like you get a rain and it's never quite warm enough to dry it back out, and once it starts raining in the fall, you're fighting mud for the rest of the season.
And if it stays muddy, you're out there in January running on frozen dirt.
Yeah.
Combines break down, your fingers are froze trying to fix it. Tracks do definitely, they'll keep you floating and make less compaction.
Yeah.
But there's a lot more maintenance to want to do.
Yeah.
was a kid, there were just 510 Massey's and bleeder L's everywhere you looked around here.
Yeah.
Now the John Deere regime is pretty well.
I know driving around you see a lot of Massey Ferguson sitting in the weeds behind barns. I think probably 30 years ago it would be pretty neat to see what harvest looked like around here.
Yeah, it was. The 510 was the ultimate combine, but it was good. It had variable speed, cylinder, variable speed. You could do about everything from the cab.
Yeah.
Quick attach header, they were first with that.
Have you guys always run John Deere combines, or?
Oh, yeah, Dad had 45s and 55s, and he rolled on up. Every now and then I'll run red rotary combines.
Yeah. hope you enjoyed being out in the field with the Randall brothers harvesting wheat in Northwest Ohio. If you love seeing tractors at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. And if you want to see a full tour of the Randall Brothers dealership, check out the link in the description to the Randall Brothers dealer tour video on my channel. Thanks for watching.